Kasalanan talaga ni Fokker at hindi siya nakapasok ng Dubai. Walang ibang kailangang i-blame. Walang ibang kailangang pagalitan or gawing rason kung bakit hindi siya nakapasok. Ang ugali ni Fokerat ang mismong rason na hindi siya nakapasok ng Dubai. Hindi ang itsura niya. Okay? Hindi ang itsura niya kasi at the end of the day, kahit anumang pagpipilit ni Fokerat na mukha siyang babae, hindi naman talaga kasi hard ka be. Ba't mo pinagpipilit? Ang kahirapan kasi niyan, mismo mga supporters ni Fokerat, ang rason kung bakit din hindi accountable yung idol nyo. Kasi sinasamba nyo kahit yung mali niyang ginagawa. Bahala na kayong magalit kayo kasi sanay naman akong nagagalit kayo pag nagsasabi ako ng totoo. Si Fokerat ang dahilan kung bakit hindi siya nakapasok ng Dubai at bakit blacklisted siya. Ang rason dito kasi babaihan ka dapat, 'di ba? Kasi pinapalabas mo na mukha kang babae. Pero asta mo mami, baklang-bakla. Asta mo baklang-bakla na uhaw sa atensyon. Kasi sana you played the Filipina part. You played na babaihang Filipina na malumanay. Na alam mo yun, prim and proper. Paano naman kasi yan ang ingay-ingay mo? You're drawing attention to yourself. Be, ang totoong famous, be, don't need to do that. Ang totoong famous don't even need to say that they are famous. Because yun nga, kung famous ka, you don't have to introduce yourself. People just automatically know you. The fact of the matter is, hinanapan ka pa ng mga immigration officers dito sa Pilipinas kung saan ka banda popular. Yun pa lang is an indication na hindi ka talaga famous. Because even immigration officers have lives. They have TikToks, they have Facebooks, di ba? And they should know you if you are worth knowing. And if you are famous, they would know you. Pero yun nga, ikaw lang naman ang nagsasabi na famous ka kasi ini-equate mo ang fame mo sa mga tao na sinusuportahan ka. Sa dami ng comments, sa dami ng likes, sa dami kuno ng followers. But at the end of the day, the only way for you to know that you are famous is when people know you and you don't have to introduce yourself, amiga. Yung tipong tatanungin ka mismo, 'di ba, ng immigration officer na uy, kumbaga kilala ka na agad. Yan yung malalaman mo, 'di ba? Nakilala ka. Pero mami, hindi ka kilala kasi hinanapan ka kung bakit ka famous. Tapos sasabihin mo yan dun sa Dubai. And Dubai of all the places is very conservative. Kahit sabihin mo yes, they are an open country, but they still have, 'di ba? That certain way na hindi mo dapat vina-violate kasi they will not adjust for you. Tinan mo nga naman, 'di ba? Pinagpipilit mo, pumasok ka pa sa CR ng babae. Buti nga hindi ka kinaladkad, mami. Buti hindi ka binugbog doon. Kabubugbog naman din yung itsura mo. Tapos alam mo yun, yung tipong dati-rate, o sige, I took the middle ground doon sa mga issues mo. I took the nice ground doon sa issues mo kasi di naman kita kilala personal. Pero yung ayoko na talaga, yung ginagawang masama si Hera na yun pa yung dumampot ulit sa'yo. The moment that si Hera na ang naging masama for helping you, dun ako nairita. Kasi of all people, I know Hera to be one of those people who's very kind. Kahit inaabuso na siya, kaya nga naaabuso siya because she's too kind. And for her to give you another chance by bringing you to Dubai, even if you don't deserve it. And in a way, kasalanan ni Hera, alam mo yung kasalanan lang ni Hera? She fed into your self-entitlement. She fed into you thinking that you are entitled to nice things like a trip to Dubai, even if you don't deserve it. Because number one, matigas ang ulo mo, sintigas ng mukha mo. Sintigas ng mukha mo na ayaw mag-adjust sa mga bagay-bagay. Girl, the world does not revolve around you. And sa lahat ng mga baklang influencers, hindi ka maganda. Buti na lang sana yung okay lang yung hindi ka ganun ka maganda, pero sana mabait ka. Hindi eh. Yung itsura mo, minatch mo sa ugali mo, And worse, nadadamay pa yung mga mababait na tao, sila pa yung nagiging masama. Hera is not responsible for you because you are not a child. You are not a child and you chose to do those things to draw attention to yourself. If you're already famous, hindi ka na dapat papansin, mami. If you're already famous, you're supposed to be the chillest in the room. Because when you are already famous, there's nothing to prove, mami ko. Pero ang problema kasi, you are entitled. You're not famous. You're only famous sa mga pakarat mong ganito. Fokerat ka nga, di ba? Pero at the end of the day, Kier, your insecurity oozes out of your pores. Yung the seeking validation part, yun yung hindi mo na-master, kaya you will never be truly famous. You will never be truly famous where it matters, actually. Because alam mo yon, people commenting on you, people following you, people making you trending. No. It should matter more when you don't have to do all these things and you are still who you are. Yun ang fame. Yun ang famous. Pero eto, nagiging masama si Hera because they're blaming Hera na hindi ka nakapasok ng Dubai. No. Flash news, hindi ka pinapasok ng Dubai and they're blacklisting you because they just don't like your kind. The kind that is too loud for a country that's supposed to be wealthy. A country that's wealthy, chill. Ikaw kasi, Diyos ko, okay na yung igno ka, mami. Okay na yung excited ka. Sinasabi ng iba mong followers na excited ka. Mami, ang daming Pilipino na pumapasok ng Dubai na excited. Kahit ako, excited ako dati nung pumasok ako ng Dubai. But then again, hindi ako mag-iingay. Hindi ka ba napagod? Hindi ka napagod dun sa napakahaba na flight from Manila? Di ka napagod sa flight mo that you have to draw attention to yourself? Hindi ka na lang talaga makapag-pause diyan sa, alam mo yun, sa salida mo? Be, if you have it, 'di ba? You have it. Okay na yon. Pero if you feel that you are entitled to all of this attention, be, kalmahan mo. Grow the fuck up. Yun. Grow the fuck up because these things, drawing attention to yourself for the wrong way, maybe it works here in the Philippines kasi ganun naman talaga yung kachipan na gusto ng ibang Pilipino. Kasi yung ginagawa mo, kachipan yan. At gusto ng ibang Pilipino yan. Well, sadly, maraming Pilipino ang nagpa-follow sa'yo. Maraming Pilipino looks up to you and actually likes you. I don't. Pangalan mo pa lang, oh my God, no. Pero at the end of the day, yun eh. And now, actually what you did, kinakahiya ka ng mga Pilipino. Because nakakahiya yung ginawa mo. Kakapalan ng mukha ang ginawa mo of the worst kind. Tas nadadamay pa yung mga mababait katulad ng kaibigan kong si Hera na tinulungan ka, dinala ka, binigyan ka ng chance at yun yung nagiging masama because you did not fucking bother to defend her. You did not fucking bother to be accountable sa ginawa mo. Hayop ka. Hayop ka naman talaga. And I don't fucking care if magagalit yung mga followers mo sa akin. Really now? Because ako, I will not allow you to make Hera look like the bad person. Wala akong pakialam sa iba. Hindi ko sila kilala. But I know Hera herself. I know what she went through. I know what she had to deal with. And I know how she built this business from her heart. Okay? And for her to trust you with that brand, to represent that brand, questionable na nga, mami, na wellness product. Pero ikaw hindi ka naman well. Alam mo yun? Yung tama namin sinabi ni Queen Dora, bibili ng isang produkto dahil minsan gusto nila yung endorser. Pero ikaw, mami, just ko, I don't wanna end up like you. No. But I will drink Hera Glow for the fact that I love Hera. You get what I mean? Tapos, diba, yung mga supporters mo, inaatake yung isa kong kaibigan na si Winner for also telling the fucking truth. That it is irritating for you to still have a platform. But yun nga, they follow you because they actually like you. Nung passport incident, tama ka doon. Pero sa Queen Dora incident, hindi ka na tama. Kasi nilabas doon ni Queen Dora lahat ng mga bagay na dapat mong baguhin. And still, Hera did not take that into account because Hera took your side and gave you another chance because she's that way. She's that way because she gives people chances because she's just really that way. She's beautiful on the inside and the outside. And for you to fucking make her out to be the villain and the reason why na hindi ka nakapasok, no bitch, kasi you are your own person. You are supposed to be responsible for the things that you do. Kasi ang tanda-tanda mo na. Oo, matanda ka na. You are not a child. You are not 6 years old. You're not even fucking 18. You're supposed to be responsible for the things that you do because you have a fucking platform being followed by millions of impressionable Filipinos that will follow your fucking example of being an entitled horse. Yes. Yes, I said it. And yes, I am pissed off. Because, at the end of the day, hindi ka kasi villain. Alam mo yung mabait ka pero ginawa kang villain because they didn't hear your side. No! You are playing the fucking victim for things that you did to yourself and you need to be fucking responsible for that. And yes, fuck you, Fokirat, sa ginawa mo. At mirisi sa nangyari sa'yo, deserve mo yan. Deserve mo yan kasi ginawa mo yan, hayop kang pesting animal ka. Mag-sorry ka kay Hera. Yun lang. Ingat.